This is no April Fool's joke. We could see 70 degrees in the next week.
That would almost make up for the fact that I thought I was going to get 60 the other week and didn't, George. So this would be good.
We did hit our first 60 earlier last week, but we are going to hit perhaps our first 70 coming up by the end of the weekend. 13 weather ball is at least the right color today. It is red. That means a little warmer, more seasonable weather ahead. Getting back into the 50s after being stuck in the 40s today. At least that was warmer than yesterday. And this view brought to you by Countryside Greenhouse of Allendale. We forecast 45 today. We matched that. Back on track with your 3-degree guarantee. Weather headlines calling for milder temperatures in the 50s both tomorrow and again on Wednesday. We'll take a little bit of a setback on Thursday back into the 40s, and then we're going to zoom up into the 60s this weekend. And Sunday, if everything lines up correctly, we could get close to 70. But there will be some showers and thunderstorms coming at the end of the weekend through Monday. All of the rain from Thursday and Friday from last week's forecast going to stay just to our south. How about some warm news? This is the updated 30-day outlook for April. A high probability that will be warmer than average for the month of April. We can all cheer that. There's also an equal chance of seeing more or less precipitation. It just means the climate pattern is not indicating anything other than a typical April in terms of our rainfall. And yes, we do get about 1.5 inches of snow. A couple of snow flurries and some sprinkles of rain up north. It looks really like it's coming down like gangbusters, but it's falling out of the mid and high level clouds, touching the top of the radar beam, and then it mostly evaporates before reaching the ground. That will not be the case later on tonight. There'll be a little bit more in the way of some precipitation just along and south of US 10 northward. We can see that on our hour-by-hour forecast. Now, this is mainly sprinkle kind of rain up and through here through 11 o'clock. It gets a little more intense after midnight. This is a line of some showers. It's mainly showers, some snowflakes embedded within that. And again, that's just along and south of US 10, probably not going to get down into the greater Grand Rapids area. In fact, it retreats to the north during the day tomorrow, so we'll get into some sunshine and some 50s, at least from Grand Rapids off to the south. Tomorrow evening, there is a definite cold front coming on through. This will have about an hour or less of some showers coming on through. That will be during the evening tomorrow. That's probably the only time we'll see rain the rest of the week in Grand Rapids. We'll see clearing skies overnight, Tuesday night into Wednesday morning, and plenty of sunshine coming our way then during the day on Wednesday. Next systems that we thought would come in for Thursday and Friday are now going to just stay off to our south, and after that passes on through, we're going to see a rapid warm-up through much of the weekend, as I mentioned. Overnight tonight, this is how much rain could fall, about 1/4 inch perhaps up in Ludington for the most. And then during the day tomorrow, a little bit more before that cold front just kind of sweeps on through. You notice here just enough to wet the ground. And after that, we are going to dry out for the upcoming weekend. Though for tomorrow, look for the light rain on and off, especially in the morning before it retreats a little bit to the north. Highs tomorrow up north will be in the mid-40s. The further south you are, you'll see a little bit more sunshine. And late afternoon, you might see a shower around the Muskegon, Holland area. Highs will be in the mid-50s around South Haven and Holland up north. Most of the time, you will see your rain come in late in the afternoon. Now, there might be some light rain moving northward throughout the day, but temperatures in the 50-degree range to maybe even low 50s there in Fremont and Greenville. And from the greater Grand Rapids area southward, will be dry most, if not all of the day. Any showers that would come in towards the evening rush hour, and then that will sweep through in an hour tomorrow evening. Other than that, highs in the mid and upper 50s. 13 on your side forecast. 50s and kind of breezy in the afternoon as that front gets a little bit closer, and we'll stay in the 50s on Wednesday. 40s Thursday, and as I mentioned, climbing up to around 60 Saturday, and maybe close to 70 on Sunday before showers and storms roll on through next Monday. After that, we'll cool off again, back down into the 50s and maybe upper 40s.